Welcome to the brand new 2023 Chevrolet Silverado Trail Boss LT. This beautiful Silverado is powered by a 3-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine and made up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior here: power windows, locks and mirrors, push button 4x4, driving modes, automatic headlights, fog lights, a leather wrapped heated steering wheel with cruise control and audio controls, full digital touchscreen or full digital speedometer screen there as well, push button ignition. Now the touchscreen, 13.4 inches, Google operating system, dual zone climate control with heated front seating, integrated chiller braking, as well as your automatic shifter knob, and the black dash and interior with Bose audio. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Silverado LT, we do have the 18-inch wheel and tire package with the Goodyear Wrangler Autotrac all-terrain tire, color matched, or we have the blacked out door handles on the Trail Boss LT, keyless entry up front, Z71 badging. The Trail Boss comes with the 2-inch factory lift, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. We do have Duramax on the hood, redesigned front hood, as well as the LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, front fog lights, and camera system. Red recovery hooks for the Trail Boss, crew cab truck, rear tinted privacy windows. Coming down the backside, Trail Boss badging. At the rear, we have your black bumper with rear parking sensors, dual chrome exhaust tips, LED brake lights, and the multi-flex tailgate on your Silverado. Jumping into the interior here, we have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. We have a sliding rear window with defrost, extra headroom over top, and LED lighting, single pane sunroof, USB ports, and this is a crew cab Silverado, so tons of room in the back of the pickup. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2023 Silverado Trail Boss LT. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.